Hello and welcome to Investor Web, your go-to channel for all things investment and finance. Here we strive to provide valuable insights to help you navigate your financial journey. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, there's something for everyone. We cover topics ranging from investment strategies to personal finance tips. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of smart investors. In today's video, we will be discussing 10 stupid simple money rules. The first rule is pretty straightforward: spend less than you earn. Now, this might seem like common sense, but it's surprising how often it's overlooked. Living within your means is a fundamental principle of financial wellness. It's about understanding your income and making sure your expenses don't exceed it. Overspending can lead to a precarious financial situation. It's akin to digging a hole that gets deeper and more challenging to climb out of with each passing day. It's the quicksand of personal finance, if you will. On the other hand, spending less than you earn creates a surplus. This surplus can be used for savings, investments, or even for that exotic vacation you've been dreaming of. It's the foundation on which you can build your financial future. So, if you're looking to navigate the path to financial freedom, start by spending less than you earn. It's a simple rule, yet profoundly impactful. Remember, spending less than you earn is the first step towards financial freedom. Rule number 2 is save for the future. Now, this sounds like a no-brainer, right? But it's surprising how many of us overlook this golden rule. It's easy to get caught up in the here and now, but a bit of foresight can spell the difference between financial stability and uncertainty. Imagine this: you've just been handed a hefty bill for an unexpected car repair or a sudden medical emergency. If you've been saving, this is just a hurdle, not a catastrophe. Having a financial safety net allows you to handle life's unexpected turns with grace and confidence. Think of saving as paying your future self. Every pound saved today is a pound you'll have tomorrow, and with the magic of compound interest, your savings can grow exponentially over time. So every little bit you tuck away now will pay dividends in the future. So always remember to put aside some money for the future. Moving on to rule number 3. Invest wisely. Investing wisely is the cornerstone of growing wealth. It's not just about stashing your money under the mattress or in a savings account, but about making your money work for you. It's about choosing opportunities and ventures that hold potential for growth and returns. Imagine your money as seeds. Just like a gardener, you need to sow them in fertile ground to reap a bountiful harvest. These fertile grounds are investment opportunities: stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting a business. But remember, not all ground is fertile. Some can be rocky or barren. This is where wisdom comes in. It's crucial to research, understand, and evaluate your investment options. The benefits of wise investing are manifold. It can multiply your wealth, provide a steady income, and secure your future. So don't just save your money, invest it, and invest it wisely. Because investing wisely can help your money grow and provide you with a secure future. Rule number 4 is a crucial one: avoid debt. Debt is like a heavy backpack. The more you carry, the harder it becomes to move forward. It's no secret that debt can be a slippery slope, leading to financial instability and stress. It's not just about the money you owe, but also the compounding interest that can make that mountain seem insurmountable. Instead, strive to live within your means. If you can't afford it now, save until you can, and while some debts, like a mortgage or student loans, may be necessary, it's important to handle them responsibly. Make timely payments, and whenever possible, pay more than the minimum required. The key is to understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt helps you generate income and increases your net worth, while bad debt is generally used to purchase depreciating assets. Remember, being debt-free is being worry-free. Rule number 5 is diversify your investments. Now, what does this mean? Picture a juggler, if you will. The more balls in the air, the less impact if one drops. The same principle applies to your investments. By spreading your money across different asset classes, sectors, and regions, you're not placing all your eggs in one basket. This strategy can help minimize the risk of potential losses. Think of diversification as an investment safety net. It's a way to smooth out the bumps in your investment journey. When one investment performs poorly, another may perform well, balancing out your overall returns. Remember, the goal is not necessarily to boost performance, it's to manage risk. Diversification doesn't guarantee profits or protect against all losses, but it can give you more opportunities to reach your financial goals. It's about creating a blend of investments that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Diversification is the key to a balanced and risk-free investment portfolio. Moving on to rule number 6, plan for retirement. It's a simple but significant rule that's often overlooked. You see, planning for retirement isn't just about preparing for the golden years, it's about ensuring you have the financial freedom to live life on your terms when your regular income stops flowing. Starting early is the key here. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the magic of compound interest. It's the power of time and interest combined that can turn even small savings into a substantial retirement fund. It's like planting a tree. The earlier you plant it, the taller it grows. And remember, retirement planning isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires regular review and adjustments based on your life circumstances and financial goals. It's not just about having money, but about having peace of mind. Planning for retirement is planning for a worry-free future. Rule number 7 is keep learning about money. The world of finance and investments is not static. It's a living, breathing entity that evolves with time. Much like technology, it's always advancing, always changing. It's essential to stay on top of these changes. Reading books, attending seminars, listening to podcasts, or even following reliable financial news outlets are all excellent ways to keep your knowledge current. Understanding new investment strategies, trends, and financial tools can provide you with an edge, allowing you to make informed decisions. The more you learn, the more you understand the nuances of money management. You'll begin to see patterns, identify opportunities, and avoid potential pitfalls. You'll gain the confidence to navigate the often intimidating world of finance, and most importantly, you'll empower yourself to make the best decisions for your financial future. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Rule number 8 is have an emergency fund. Now, life is full of surprises, isn't it? And not all of them are pleasant. Your car might break down, a medical emergency might arise, or you could lose your job. Whenever these unexpected expenses knock on your door, it's your emergency fund that saves the day. Think of it as a financial buffer, a cushion that softens the blow of financial hardships. This fund isn't for your holiday trips or for buying that designer bag you've been eyeing. It's for genuine emergencies only. So how much should you keep in this fund? A good rule of thumb is 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. But remember, this isn't a hard and fast rule. Your personal circumstances might require a larger fund, so review your situation regularly and adjust accordingly. An emergency fund provides a financial safety net in times of need. Rule number 9 is be patient. The world of finance is not for the faint-hearted or the impatient. It's a realm where time is a key player. The beauty of compounding interest, the growth of investments, the rise and fall of markets, all of these aspects require a great deal of patience. You see, contrary to popular belief, wealth isn't built overnight. It's a slow and steady process that rewards those who understand the value of waiting. It's about making smart, informed decisions and then allowing them the time to mature. Think of your investments as seeds. Once planted, they need time to sprout, to grow, to bear fruit. Rushing the process won't yield the results you desire. Instead, it may lead to hasty decisions and potential losses. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your financial empire be. Patience is a virtue, especially in the world of finance. And finally, rule number 10, review your finances regularly. Just like a regular health checkup, your finances too require routine examinations. It's crucial to keep track of your income, expenses, savings, and investments. Regular assessments allow you to adjust your budget and keep your spending habits in check. It helps you identify where your money is going and if you're getting a good return on your investments. Think of it as a financial compass guiding you towards your financial goals. By keeping a close eye on your finances, you can spot any potential issues early on and take corrective action. It also allows you to measure your progress against your financial goals and adjust your strategy if necessary. In essence, a regular financial review is a proactive approach to managing your money. It's not just about knowing where you stand, but about making informed decisions that impact your financial future. Regular reviews will help you stay on top of your finances and reach your financial goals. So, those were the 10 stupid simple money rules, from spending less than you earn, saving for the future, investing wisely, avoiding debt, diversifying your investments, planning for retirement, continuing to learn about money, maintaining an emergency fund to practicing patience and regularly reviewing your finances, these rules are the keys to achieving financial stability and growth. They're simple, yet incredibly effective. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to InvestorWeb for more financial insights.